आओ, उसको इतना नॉलेज नहीं है लाने का, बट वो फिर भी उसने एफर्ट्स किए, वो मेरे लेके आया इट। और प्रॉब्ली इफ़ यू वांट टू गो ऑन अ वेकेशन which I'm not. Hi everyone, this is Khushi. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because I will be a little consistent on YouTube as well from now onwards. So just stay tuned for the videos, and today the video is going to be about the jewelry collection, basically the neck pieces that I own and that I've collected in past like few years. So I'll show them all to you and also tell you that where have I got them all from. So stay tuned. I will start the video with one of my favorite neck pieces that I wear like a lot means a lot, because I lately am in love with red color, and also I have red Crocs, I have red phone covers, so it just matches with my phone and my footwear. So yes, ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे ow. Can we please take a moment for its beauty? Like the charms that I hear, one is a butterfly, then this shells, there is this very beautiful, I love it. Also this red beaded chain, and then this golden chain. I just love it. This just adds like a beautiful pop of red into your outfit, and of course if you have like a red color top, तब तो मस्त जाता है एकदम. I love it. Also please forgive the mess that is there on my bed. So yeah, I love it. It's just beautiful. I've got this from Sarojini. I will mention the name of the shop because it's been like almost 3-4 months I've been there. Next up is this brown beaded necklace, which is again very cool and very aesthetic. I would say it goes like with a lot of my outfits, and it looks super cool. It's just amazing. I love it. You can also like tie it like this if you have like a v-neck, and then or probably you can also tie it like this, which is just beautiful. I love it. I got this for guess for how much rupees. I got this for rupees 50 from Janpat. There is this shop where you can get every single thing for rupees 50, and I've got it from there itself. So a lot of you will ask me where have I got this top from and this skirt if it is visible. This top is from Myntra. There's this brand called Trendyol. It's from that, and then the skirt is from Sarojini for rupees 100 or 150. The top, I'll link it in the description, so don't forget to check because I know a lot of you girlies will comment for the link of this top. So next are these beaded chains that I got from again Janpat for rupees 50 each. I guess there is this Didi who roams around in the Janpat market, like when you exit the gate, not exit, on the entry gate जब आप metro station की तरफ जाते हो तब Didi, there is this Didi who holds like a lot of beaded chains in her hand, and then you just have to choose yours. I also have it in green color, I'll find it, but yeah, like these are the beaded chains. I just love them. One is like a colorful one, and then this is shade of pink, then there is blue, green, orange, red, and every other color. So sometimes like I just wear it layering, like double layer like this, or sometimes I also just wear it in my hand, which also looks amazing. And also these chains goes very beautiful with your, like, let's say beach outfit, or probably if you want to go on a vacation, which I'm not. Next up is this silver chain, which is the Salman Khan silver chain. I love it because I pair it up with a lot of outfits, and I also and I also use it in like a lot of different ways, because like this goes well with some of your, like, let's say if you're wearing like a chunky t-shirt and sort of trying to create like a sporty look, you just wear it. It looks amazing. You can wear like silver rings and silver earrings. It goes well with it. This I have got from, I think, Sarojini, I think, for like 50 rupees or 100 rupees again, and it is so good. You know what, all these necklaces from Janpat and from Sarojini, these are anti-tarnished, and this is the color when I bought it, and it does not got damaged. बिल्कुल भी tarnished नहीं हुआ है. It is the color, it is the original color, the silver one, and the shining is also still like, it is so maintained. I mean मैं इतना maintain करके रखती नहीं हूँ चीज़ें, मैं ऐसे कबर्ड में डाल देती हूँ, but I don't know, like this is so good. Honestly, you can just go ahead with some of the shops in Sarojini, not all the shops, because initially जब मैं खरीदती थी सरोजनी से, there were like shops जहाँ से मैं ले लेती थी, and then those jewelry used to get tarnished a lot and then वो काली हो जाती थी. But I have found a shop in Sarojini and in Janpat में तो बहुत सारी, like you can find a lot of shops for jewelry. It is a hub of jewelry, so you can just try these kind of jewelries. And this jewelry stick, oh, what is it? क्या क्या दिख रहा है मेरे बेड पे? It's a bag, power bank, charger, and then few of my clothes. I'm so sorry. Okay, next up we have is my favorite piece of necklace. I love wearing it. मैं हर दूसरे दिन इसको पहन रही होती हूँ because again it has like a pop of color and also it is so cool. It has this blue necklace. It has this blue beaded chain and then this another chain which has 3 moons and then one patli si chain here as well. So it's just amazing. I love it. I love it so much because it gives like a pop of color to your neck. Next up we have is this patlusa necklace, which is again beautiful. It has like beautiful colors and I love it. This is the necklace that my brother got from Georgia. So I love it. उसको इतना knowledge नहीं है लाने का, but वो फिर भी उसने efforts किए और मेरे लेके आया. It's enough. The worst part of this necklace is I'll show you. See, you can never figure out what is the pendant. I mean, it's just all cluttered. Anyway, but he bought it from Georgia for me, so of course I love it like this. It's fine. I mean, who cares? So yeah, I love it. Next up we have is this another patlu chotu sa very minimalistic necklace. You must have seen this on a lot of people because it is from H&M. Also, there is one more thing I would really like to share. For the things that you purchase from H&M or from stores or online from Myntra or wherever, you can find it on like a lot of people. I mean, बहुत सारे लोग same ही चीज़ ले लेते हैं because that particular piece of clothing or probably the jewelry is trending those days. अभी अगर वो trending है तो you can find bows on every other person, but that is not the case when you thrift things. So if ever I get something from Sarojini or from Janpat, I never find it on any other person. Like, so that's the reason, that's the one of the biggest reason I love shopping and I love thrifting from Sarojini or probably from Janpat for the jewelry and clothes from Sarojini, because you will never find those pieces on any other girl out there, and that is the best part because that is just the unique piece of clothing or a jewelry that you've got. Next up we have is another golden necklace. It is so pretty, trust me, it is so pretty. It goes well with western, it goes well with Indian wear. I have worn it with a sari too. I have worn it with like a dress or probably with a top. It is just beautiful. Can you just see the detailing? Can you just see the charms that are there, the shells, the beads, the pearls? It's just amazing. I love it. I love it so much. Can we please take a moment? I love it. I just love it so much. Also, like, it is so beautiful. It just elevates your look a lot. You can wear it with like white shirt. Wow, it just looks so good with white shirt. With red it is going amazing. With blue, with any color, with any sort of outfit, it's just beautiful. I love it. And the detailings are the best part. We have the same design in another color, which is in silver. Like, this has like a very little difference from that of the gold one. So this is also very pretty, and you can of course check the detailings. I love it. It just looks so beautiful, right? It is amazing. I love it. What else do we need? It is again from Sarojini. Yeah, from Sarojini. It was for 100 or 120 or probably 150 rupees. Next up is again a layered jewelry piece, which I'm still able to figure out कि मैं इसको खोलूँ कैसे. बहुत ज़्यादा tangle हो गई है. But yeah, I think you will get the gist of it. So it will take like a lot of mehnat for me to just detangle it. So I'll just show you essay. But it is just an amazing piece of art. I love it so much. And the best part is this one. This locket. It's just so beautiful. See, it's just so beautiful. I love it. I love this jewelry. And especially when I wear like an tube top. I wear it and it just elevates my look so much. I wear it with like multiple rings and multiple, you know, hand stack and earrings. It just elevates my look so much. I love this jewelry a lot. I will get 100 of pieces like this if I get one. So I'm just in love with this also. Again, I have got it from Sarojini for 100 and 150. Next up is this beaded jewelry that I got for rupees 50 only. Can you imagine, for rupees 50? And this is like a 3-4 layered necklace. It's again very beautiful. If you're planning a trip to Goa, get it. Go to shop which sells rupees 50 ki jewelry in Janpat. When you enter Janpat market, you will see the first or I guess second shop on the left which sells jewelry, and they have amazing collection. You just have to, you know, search. You just have to find it out, and it's an art. I swear it's an art. Honestly, you get like piece of art for rupees 50 in that shop in Janpat. So you can just see how beautiful it looks. I just am so amazed. And for like some reason this top is looking beautiful, or I don't know, like every other jewelry is going well with this top, so you better check this top on Myntra. It's just amazing. It looks so beautiful. I am wearing size XS. My waist is 28 and I almost every time wear size XS, so you can just check it out. Next video is going to be about short kurtis and kurtis from Myntra, so just stay tuned for that as well. Next up is again layered jewelry which is screaming Y2K. I love it. You can just tie it like this because then it will be, you know, elevate and look more beautiful. Can you just see? I love it. मुझे lately मुझे ऐसे colourful jewelries इतनी पसंद आने लगी हैं. See, it's so Y2K. And guess what? Again, it is for rupees 50 only. Can you imagine, for 50 rupees this? Like, I cannot. I was so overwhelmed when I went to that shop and have got like 100 of pieces together for just rupees 50. Another layered jewelry that is again for rupees 100, 150 from Sarojini. And please don't kill me for this, because people who are not from Delhi and who live in other places of the country might be feeling very jealous of me at this point of time. So minimal. Whenever I have mood to wear like a minimal jewelry, I wear this. That is it for today's video. Tomorrow I will be, not tomorrow, in the next video, whenever I'll post it, I'll show some of the kurtis. I'll make kurti, short kurti haul. I'll make kurta sets haul, and then you also let me know किस चीज़ में मैं video बनाऊँ. And then in the middle of all of this, I will also make like a buck session video that I always do. So please bear with me, and thank you so much. Literally, thank you so much for sticking around. I love all of the people who subscribe my channel. It just means a lot to me. Trust me, it means a lot to me. And also I've been, you know, watching these videos on YouTube where I was just searching how to, you know, monetize your channel, and then I found out इस तरीके से जैसे मैं videos डाल रही हूँ once in a while, once in a month, I will never be able to monetize my YouTube channel. So I will have to be regular on this, and I have to post consistently for this. So yeah, try to be consistent with a full-time job. I have a full-time job Monday to Friday, and I really am not sure मैं कैसे करने वाली हूँ. I will try to wake up early and then shoot and then post. I don't know, like, let's see. Thank you for sticking around. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. It will mean a lot if you subscribe, if you share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.